to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Ata ya.
Wagwan. But let's get into these hot topics for today, starting it off with Shailene Woodley and Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers from the Green Bay Packers.
So sadly, like IK was saying, they recently just called off their engagement. But I heard, IK, that, I don't know what you've heard, IK, but I heard that sources are saying, allegedly, that he just wasn't focusing on Woodley and that they were already having a ton of differences between their marriage. So what are your thoughts, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, either way, he's going to have to be focused on either the wife or on the game.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
And what it's called, Dr. Ross, is distractions. I mean, just look at Shaun White. Shaun White could have got that third place, at least a third place, but he was too distracted thinking about the girlfriend. And this is the same for Simone Biles. She was too distracted thinking about the boyfriend.
True.
We're going to run the clip right here when she got off of the plane from the Olympics, and she was just looking for the boyfriend the whole time. Not even caring about her score.
Speaking about relationships, though, in our next hot topic, we have Julia Fox is getting worse and worse. And I'm not bashing Julia Fox because I'm Team Kanye, but I feel like Julia Fox is just being childish at this point. She said she started trying to slam assumptions, saying that she only dated Kanye for the attention he effing wanted. What are your thoughts, IK?
Dr. Ross, Julia Fox is trying to get her last hit in before she gets out, but it's too late.
She's just mad she was a 2-day date.
Exactly. Kanye's already kicked you to the curb. At this point, you should have gotten something on Kanye or something with some leverage, instead of just getting kicked to the curb and now being angry about it.
Well, she says she's writing a book about the 2 days that she spent with Kanye. I would be surprised if she doesn't title the book 48 Hours with Kanye West.
Because besides, Dr. Ross, her book will be only this big, only 5 pages.
Exactly. Children's book at that point.
$1 late, $1 too short.
Let's get into our next hot topic. So they said Chet Hanks reflects on his toxic experience growing up as Tom Hanks' son. I wouldn't change my situation.
And Dr. Ross,
listen here, you little spoiled brat.
Exactly. Because with Tom Hanks' son, he's very privileged, and I know he wants to be a nigga.
Knock, nigga.
But it's all right. With Tom Hanks' son, we'd love to put you in one of our films, but still, sit your country down.
Niggers?
Because we know you want to be a part of the streets, part of the gangs.
Right.
But you know, we gotta let you do what you do. We'd love to put you in one of our films, though.
Tom Hanks is Forrest Gump. Now, how can you have a horrible, terrible experience with your father as the Forrest Gump actor? I just don't even understand it.
You know, Dr. Ross, who knows? It might be a situation like what's his name? The church singer. We'll put his name up right here. You know how with the son and him were on the phone call, and they just started going off on each other.
Okay, if you think I'm bringing this paper, let me say it like this. When your bitch ass starts getting disrespectful, you need to get your skinny motherfucking ass back out the goddamn way before I put my foot in your ass. Because I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. Shut the fuck up. I'm old.
What's up?
I will punch your neck, nigga. Don't you ever disrespect me.
Kurt Franklin.
Yes, exactly. But we're going to digress and get into our next hot topic with Kanye West. So if you guys haven't seen the posts on Kanye's Instagram, Kanye posted when Pete Davidson had a hat on saying, "Make Kanye 2006 again." And also saying, "Kanye, are you off your pills?" I don't know. Pete was in the right on this one, Dr. Ross.
Exactly. All the doctors always tell everyone, please stay off the drugs, stay off the medication. Have you guys noticed that Kanye is the only person that all the doctors, all the higher-ups are saying, please take the drugs, please take the pills, just stop right now.
And Dr. Ross, that's bad. Especially for you, Ye. That's bad. You should have kept your name Kanye.
Yeah. And I
But
guess
I
Kim
digress.
is tired of the nonsense too, because allegedly she has unfollowed Kanye West because she said she's tired of him constantly posting about bullying Pete.
And Dr. Ross, this leads me right into my next conversation piece. With Kanye, if you really want Kim back, go MIA.
I don't think he's ever going to get her back.
Well, he has to stop posting, stop saying anything, don't be in the news, just be completely quiet for 3 weeks.
I don't want fucking that. Fuck! Stop screaming! Stop! Fuck you! Fuck, mate. Fuck this game, man. Fuck you. Fuck it.
You know, after 3 weeks, Dr. Ross, Kim's gonna be knocking on the door asking, where's Kanye at? Where's the drama? What's happening? Kanye must have passed away or something.
Exactly. That's exactly what's going to be happening. But let's get into our next hot topic. Shanna Moakler denies being obsessed with Travis Barker and Kourtney Kardashian. She said it's not something that's centered in my world. See, and this is another one of those liars that just, they go on the internet and they don't know what to do with themselves. So Shanna Marker, whatever her name is, Moakler is just like Kanye. She's been obsessing over their relationship and making fun of Kourtney since day one, talking about their relationship back in the past, but all of a sudden, this is not the center of her world. Well, what is the center of your world, Miss Shanna?
Tell me my money.
BS, quote. BS.
With the Shanna Moakler woman, whatever her name is, and Kanye, or Ye as he's called, they should get together.
They should.
They'd be perfect.
Two psychopaths, yin and yang.
And you know, that reminds me too, Shanna Moakler was saying earlier on, even though she's saying she doesn't care, she was saying that she wants Travis Barker to be a good example for the Kardashians. Or she was saying something along the lines that they have to be up to her standards.
She has just lost her everlasting mind. Every single time she's obsessing over that couple, but then she wants to bring up her fake boyfriend again and say that they had a really good time on Valentine's. No one cares about your sugar boyfriend, and no one cares about the drama that you keep bringing to the table.
Exactly.
On to our next hot topic.
And this is gonna be our final hot topic for today. But we're gonna be talking about 2 movies, actually 3. We're going to be talking about Ben Stiller's new thriller with Adam Scott called Severance on Apple TV. Dr. Ross and I, we haven't watched this, but we're going to catch up with it. We're going to watch it, give you guys an in-depth review, because, you know, Ben Stiller hasn't done anything in a long time.
Ben Stiller has been a little bit quiet, but we love Ben Stiller.
Yes, it's all love. Our next film is Uncharted with Tom Holland and Mark Wahlberg.
We will be seeing that tonight, so we will give you guys a in-depth review on when we watch it.
But it looks and sounds like a great film. And our final film is Dog with Channing Tatum.
Which is also seems like a really heartfelt, amazing movie. Channing Tatum actually said, IK, that he got the inspiration to do his directorial debut, Dog, from doing his last road trip with his dying dog, which is really sad to hear, but at least he made some good times out of it.
Yes. But you know, we're going to be watching all of these movies and we're going to give you our in-depth review. But these were all of our hot topics, and we'll make sure to catch you guys on the next episode. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, as well as share your thoughts in the comment section down below.
You're all like, that'll never happen. And then we'll get all cool and you'll be all like, whoa, and then we'll be all like, in your face!
But other than that, Miley Cyrus, let me take you out to lunch, brunch, or dinner in Nashville, Tennessee. That's for you.